Back up on my grizzly on my bar. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't trust nobody, no, we all fucked up. I don't trust nobody, only God I trust. Over traumatized, so the squad might bust. Probably get your body, then the squad locked up. Look, I've been in my head, I don't know which way to turn now. Thought it was forever, but relationships and turn out. And I'm sick of trying, man, I start to feel the burnout.
Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. When recording this, I still haven't figured out the title, but I know it's a tech week in my life, somewhat, that I've already failed. It's Thursday today. I'm heading to the gym. That's why I'm dressed like this and my hair is flat. But the intro you just saw was actually from Tuesday to today. As you probably noticed, I got a new mouse. This is the DeathAdder V3 Pro. It's the latest DeathAdder in Razer's collection. I've been using a DeathAdder since I don't even know when, ever since I started playing on computers, you could say. But this mouse is actually outstanding and it's really nice because it's also wireless. It makes it a lot more valuable for different types of usage. If I want to sit somewhere else to edit, or if I want to just not have a cable around, right? Makes it more convenient, at least for me. That's at least a new tech item that I've got recently. And since this is a tech week in my life, I'll be going through some of the stuff I've been using throughout the week. And one of the other items I've been using is my Razer Blade laptop. Of course, this laptop, as I mentioned in my other video, has been coming in very handy. I've been able to edit on this laptop. I've been able to play Call of Duty and Counter-Strike on this laptop. And overall, it's just a great experience with it. Of course, I do prefer a stationary computer with the whole setup, you know, with the motherboard and everything, because I've used to build a lot of computers before. But this does perfectly for me here in Germany. Yeah, and that's half of the video done. Right after I said what I said, my camera apparently didn't record the rest of what I said. So right now, if you guys see here on the timeline, I have a last clip here and no more footage, but a bunch of audio that did not get recorded properly. So I'm just here to inform you guys that the rest of the video is me going to the gym, telling you guys what I'm up to, because later on in the video, I do go to a cool event, but stay tuned for that. And then I've recorded a bit after the event, and that's the end of the video. This time it's a bit shorter. I hope it's not a big deal. I will be back with another video in a week-ish, since already when you're watching this video is already 3 days late in comparison to when I wanted to post it. Again, I'm very sorry guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. Finally back from the gym. Just had a great workout, tracked everything on my Pixel watch. Now I'm home. I'm gonna get ready since it is already the next day. And when trying to record this, all my batteries died. No idea why, because I charged all of them and I put them in a box to use them when one dies. It is what it is. But that leads me to my camera. That is the Sony RX100 Mark IV. It's a really, really good camera. It is pretty old now. It does use the old Sony firmware, but it is capable of 4K, 1080, you name it. So the quality on these videos are really nice. Now I will sit down on my laptop for a little bit right before getting ready to go to a concert. That's where I'm going. I won't be bringing my camera, but I will be bringing my phone, so you guys will get some shots from there too. So you guys can see the Pixel 6 in action in a concert with a lot of different lighting and dark sceneries. So I'm gonna sit on the laptop a little bit to edit my reel that you guys will probably see before this video comes out. And if you haven't checked out my reels yet, down below I have a link to my Instagram. You can check it out. Don't forget to follow there too. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I do upload every 2 weeks and I try to make the best content as I can for you guys. So let me just get ready for the concert and I'll do a quick fit check before we leave. My girlfriend is currently recording. We're about to leave. We are in a hurry, so I have to do this quick. This is the fit for today. Can you pan down? So we're repping the off-white UNCs. You know. We're repping some Uniqlo pants. And of course, we're repping baseball t-shirt. I don't remember the team. I always forget. My bad. We're repping a Mark Noir bag, limited edition, or I don't know if it's limited edition, but I know you can't get it anymore. And a Travis Scott Nike Lab t-shirt. Of course, we're repping the Cuban chain. I am Cuban, so we gotta represent. Let's get to the party. Well, here you can see me recording with the Pixel 6 at the concert. This is bright lighting before the full concert starts. And here it is when it went live with all the flashing lights, the bright lights in the dark. As you can see in the beginning and now in the video is that it is a bit grainy, but it still looks amazing. Of course, when you're all the way zoomed in, it does lower the quality, but the main sensor, as you can see, captures the concert perfectly. But I'll leave you guys to a little bit of the concert so you can enjoy it just like I did. we're finally home from the concert. It is the next day. I didn't record right after the concert since I forgot. I was really tired. It was such a party. The ending was insane. I did post some of the stuff on Instagram. Again, link down below if you haven't seen my story already. Yeah, I was using the Pixel 6 through the whole thing. As you saw, the lighting and everything on the phone works really great. Of course, through the concert, the phone did get warm. I did get the warning several times that the quality might go down because the device is getting hot. But that's just me. I like to deal with it. That's because I was filming in 4K through the whole concert. If you don't like it, you can take down the quality to 1080p. It does perform as well. But of course, if you want to zoom in and have a better quality afterwards or posting it on social media, 4K does help with compensating for the compression that social media do to your videos. I also did bring with me a power bank. This is the Mophie 10,000 milliamp hour battery, or power bank I mean. It does have USB-C and USB-A. I did bring with me a USB-A to USB-C cable in case my girlfriend needs to charge. She uses the USB-C port. Yeah, that was technically my week in the life. Now I'm home. This is Saturday today. I am going to remove all my footage from the camera and put it into my laptop, into the Seagate hard drive that I have, so you guys can see this video on YouTube. I'm gonna take today pretty chill. I will try to have this vlog out by Sunday, Monday, but we'll see. By the time you see this, you know what day it is. I'm trying to stay as consistent as much as I can, but now that I got the new mouse, I do want to play some Counter-Strike and have some chill time for myself too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next on the channel. I am looking to review maybe other devices like my Razer Blade laptop if you guys are interested, or any other ideas you guys have below. This was tech week in my life, or whatever I will call the video. Still haven't figured out the title by this point. And yeah, if you have any other questions to what type of tech I used during the week that I didn't show, or if you have any other questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. Thank you all so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. We are close to 100 subscribers by the time I post this, so please subscribe if you haven't already. I am trying to reach 500 subscribers this year, or maybe more, who knows. So thank you again, and peace.